Mommy, I found it.
What?
I found it again. That was so funny.
Do you like your dinner?
No, I don't.
How's your chicken?
Good.
Good.
How's your chicken?
Good, I ate it.
You eat it all?
Mm-hmm.
I need some more.
It's all gone. Eat some more applesauce.
There's some more right there.
Well, that's not a good piece.
Oh, that's not a good piece.
That piece is burnt.
That piece is not burnt.
It is burnt.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yeah, it's too hard. You won't like it. It's dry and burnt.
Yeah, you don't like it too.
Right.
Eat it again. Or just eat my chicken again.
Yeah.
Beep, boom.
What do you want next?
Okay, bro.
A cake roll.
Yeah.
Are you going to share it with me?
No. No, I don't want a cake roll for you.
You don't want one for me? Just for you?
No. I just want candy. Scary guy.
Do you want to share a cake roll with me?
It's blowing away. This is blowing away. This is blowing away too.
It's okay.
Oh no.
It's okay.
The macaron. Oopsies.
Do you want a cake roll?
No, I want candy.
No, no candy. You can have a cake roll if you want.
No, I eat some of this.
Okay.
I need some more.
Well, eat that first, and then I'll give you more if you want.
Do we want to?
Mm-hmm.